All right. What's up, gang? We looking crazy out here. Yeah. I'm just making sure everything good. Yo. Just make sure everything good. Oh man. Gold is shooting up early. Let's see what we're working with. So, what's up, gang? What up, gang? Man, it's over. Them golds are gone, boy. I swear. So we broke this. Boom. This was the indication to buy, the correction, and then the indication on chapter 5. So we got the shoot. This would have been an entry right here. Man, gold is so high, man. It's hard to trade gold. Let's see what NQ doing. Man. Welcome. This market's gonna shoot down. If we get an entry on, we could get an entry if it breaks this level. We can look for some sales, but shoot. I don't know. I want to go, but shoot. Can we get in for? Nah, I don't want to get in yet. You want to be patient, definitely during these slow markets. You want to be very, very patient. I wouldn't mind hitting this level. Target level. This right here. But I feel Man, this is a tricky. You could get in some sales right now, y'all, for NQ sales. But I feel like it want to come probably back up here and then shoot back down. This is tricky. Gold is just gone. There's no point even talking about gold. Oh, we getting a little pullback. I just want to see what's going to happen with gold because it is at its all-time high. It's going to hit 4,000 for sure. Man, gold is nuts, boy. This is my funded account with funded ticks. I'm up $682. This will be my third day trading it. My live account. Well, not live, but funded live account. Man. See, there's nothing on the hour. I like to trade the ICC. If you know who Trades by Sai is, I love the ICC trading strategy, which is, I stands for indication. When you see this breakout like this, that's an indication that the buyers are in. But then you want a correction, which you want to see a pullback to correct itself. And then you drop down to the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and look for market structure for higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, or lower lows, just to see, where the market is trending. This market is nuts. It's hard to trade gold because, man, it's at its all-time high, man. Jeez. But we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna see if we can place a trade tonight, man. We're gonna see if we can place a trade tonight. It might not be on gold for sure. Let's see what NQ. All right, this is NQ. Micros. See, we got an indication for buyers right here. That's the indication that the buyers was in the market. Correction here. And then we drop down and we see that these lower highs got broken. So you would enter in like right here. Oh, what the freak? Once it broke this candle, you would enter in, put your stop loss like down here, and you would take it up probably for 101. This was at 12 o'clock yesterday, though. Yeah, you would have got it 101. But we here. We got a bear flag here that we could enter, but man, this is very risky. And it's gonna shoot down too. Watch. There's really no good setups right now. There's really no good setups. Let's see ES. So we could anything above this will be buys. Anything below will be sells. This is tough. See, this is where people blow their accounts, during these slow markets because there's no setups right now. Gold took off. Gold was taking off at like 7 o'clock. So now it's so hard to find a nice setup. And look like, ES, look like the buyers are still in control somewhat. Yeah, what's up? Huh? Yeah, what's up? What's up? So you see the lower highs are being built. Lower high, lower high. If we break this, we could drop down to this. But I don't see that happening, I don't see that happening. So we're gonna let it just chill. Oh, what's up, son? Stop, boy. What are you doing? You're right. Stop it. I don't know what these markets want to do, rah. Okay. These markets is tripping. Look like we can get some buys going on. This look like a head and shoulders. That's what it's looking like. Look like the buyers might want to come through. I don't know. Look like the buyers might want to come through. So we got the shoulder. Hold on. Shoulder, head, shoulder. But if it breaks this level, it's invalid. We could get a head and shoulders in here. We're above this level. And we could get some buys. If we break this level, we in for buys. I don't know. We could push up for some buys. We just want to wait patiently for this, for sure. Until we break one of these zones. Not zones, but this market structure, we are still in sales. Based off of market structure, we're still in sales. It's just a waiting game, man. If you can just sit and wait, things will just work out. Told you. That's why you sit and just chill and wait out. We could get in some sales. Let's get in. I think we can get some buyers in. I think the buyers are gonna shoot in sooner or later. If we can break this, I think the buyers will shoot in sooner or later. What's up? Are you still live? Yeah, I'm being live, boy. I'm just trying to wait for a nice setup. Are they watching you right now? Nobody online, but is no one watching you? Nope. You work as if somebody's watching you. You don't wait until people watch you. You if you can't entertain yourself, then this social media streaming ain't for you. You see what I'm saying, son? So you got to know how to stream, give content as if a million people are watching you. You know, and you got to be consistent. Do it every single day. Consistency is key. Key. You feel me? So even though nobody's watching, to me, I'm still gonna record. Tell them, Rabbi. I'm still gonna grind. It don't matter. You watching. It doesn't matter about the views. Tell them. What does it matter? Tell them, Rabbi. It matters about money. What? And getting yourself a new house. Well, you don't make baby. Money. You have to. People have to watch your videos. Look, these buyers gonna come in. Watch, Zeke. Watch and learn. These buyers come in. I guarantee you, these buyers start coming in, man. We above. Anything above here, we're buying. Anything above here, we're buying. But we gotta wait for market structure to be broken. Right now, market structure was broken right here, but not down here. So we still could be in buying territory. You feel me? Until we can break something like this, we still be in buying territory. Let's see what Top Step TV talking about, y'all. Let's see what Top Step talking about, y'all. They live right now. Right now,
there you go.
It's tricky.
25 120 is a golden buy zone, but skipping this reversion scalp. That's crazy. Yeah, Coach Jay and I, like I said, I posted I posted the social media in the YouTube chat. I'm looking for some hashtag slow markets. We got a couple of them coming in, but I am over here in New Jersey with Coach Jay. Like I said, we spent most of the day on the New York Stock Exchange, and man, talk about insight. Got a lot of information, and I never did. And Coach Jay can confirm this with me. We went around and we asked everybody. We asked every single person there. Hey, did you ever hear about ABC concepts? Did you ever hear about CBS concepts? Did you hear this? And not a single one of them said they had no idea. Like what's this? What's this? Then I asked them.
We're watching Top
Hey,
Step TV. Let's see what they're talking about.
Like, oh yeah, we use that every day. That's how they move these markets. So, what a small world we live in. What a small world we live in.
Hold on, I see a setup, guys. So let me go and turn this guy off. I like Top Step TV. I like them. All right, I'm trying to see this ES buy, y'all. We got a bull flag right here. So what I'm looking at is everything above this line are buys. And look like we're fighting to break this. So I'm looking for buying opportunities. So I'm looking for market structure to be broken on the lower time frame. So, so I drop down to 5 minutes if I don't see nothing, and boom. And then we got a beautiful bull flag that could be broken, but this is market structure. So, not that. Higher highs, higher lows. We could be targeting in this area if we can get in for some buys. We could target this area right here for some buys if we can break market structure. The higher lows. Higher lows. Let's see. Let's see if we can do it. I'm going to get in on a nice buy. But you don't want to get in too early. It's all right. One thing I'm learning is patience. You have to be patient. You see the setup. And you try to anticipate it too early, y'all. We try to get sniper entries. Sometimes you will get sniper entries, and sometimes you won't get sniper entries. You just have to be patient enough to get the right setup. The right setup. If we can pull this off, we get in for a buy. We're going to see what happens. Stop making all that noise, boy. Let's make some money tonight. Time for bed. No, it's time for bed. Man, we're gonna see if we can get these buys. I might jump into a buy, y'all. All right, we are in for our buys. We're in for some buys. Let's see if we can get this buy. All right, Top Step. I'm off. Let's see what happens. This is ES, guys. I don't know what's about to happen. We got what 1 minute until 9 o'clock. Let's see if we can get a push. See if we can get a push up there. I don't know. We might lose. We might win. I don't know. I don't know. But anything above this line, I was looking for buys. And then you see we got the head and shoulders. So that is very, very important as well. So we shall see. Oh man. It's 9 o'clock. Come on, give me some value. Give me a push, baby. Come on. Come on, give me a push, baby.